My name is Nur Adlina binti Hamdan. I will present about my introduction and problem statement. For introduction, our group decided to design a gripper, the gripper called as Easy R Gripper. Easy R Gripper is developed with mechanical and electrical gripper. It's designed based on human hand, which has 4 fingers that can be used for picking and placing an object. The concept behind this design is for us to have a gripper that can function like material handling, such as pick and place, also can handle a lot of different shapes. Easy R Gripper is effectively easy to use, cost efficiently, and have a good holding capability. Easy R Gripper is divided by 4 sections, which is shoulder, elbow, wrist, and finger. Because of this feature, it can fulfill any demand from factories and industries. Is problem statement. Nowadays, robotic gripper can only be found in factory which have section for manufacturing plant or production plant as an industrial site. One of the problem is not everyone can have the robotic arm, as the price is expensive and not affordable to buy in the market. For the size, usually the robotic arm is very big and heavy, so it's not suitable for people to have it. This robotic arm can help small business to manage their stock well, and when the price available, surely many can have it in their home. It is important to choose the right gripper design to make sure the item are holding perfectly and not fall when gripper grip the item. When the gripper have poor design to grip the item loosely, user will reject the gripper. By surveying what is available gripper in the market, a lot of improvising can be added.
Conceptual design is the phase 1 of our syllabus MEC 435. We have to define problem, gather information, concept generation, and lastly evaluation of concept. Tools to achieve what customer needs are using benchmarking. We choose any gripper that available in the market, such as Alibaba, Lazada, and Shopee. We compare and make a little modification to achieve our objective. We have 4 products here. We are very focused in choosing what's suitable for our project. The criteria we have to consider is weight handling, gripper type, price, and material. The second tool is using PDS to ensure the development of the product meets the needs of the users. The gripper have the design easy to install, affordable, lightweight, and suitable for picking and placing. We also have aesthetic value here, which is smooth surface and durable finishing, as we use titanium to be our perfect material. It's strong, durable, and naturally resistant to rust and corrosion. After we get information, we move to concept generation. We use morphological chart. We list all the options to make our gripper from scratch. In this chart, we are very particular in this part to make the best gripper. We choose titanium that have higher strength, resistant to rust and corrosion, so it will last for years. Joining method we choose is using bolts and nuts. Bolted joint is fast operation and simple joint. Welding joint and riveted joint require more time than bolted joint. Power consumption we choose is alternating current. The important thing we consider is gripper type. We choose option 2 for criteria gripper type because it looks more stable and can fit or hold any shapes object. The object manipulation for the way it grab, we choose gripper that have claw to make it hold the object stronger, but from the claw in the photo we have to decide to choose 4 claws. These are the pure chart to evaluate our design from the morphological chart. Finally, after calculation and identify which one we have to choose, we have decided to choose Design 4 and name it as Easy R Gripper. Design 4 meets our criteria the most.
A very good afternoon and salam UITM di hatiku. My name is UITM Kasim, and as for today I would like to present to you regarding on our model, which is called the Easy R Gripper. But before that, we would like to appreciate our lecturer Mr. Rizal for always guiding us and always helping us throughout this whole semester on our prototype. Now, without further ado, let's proceed to the video on what is Easy R Gripper. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, Easy R Gripper. I really hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm just kidding. Okay, so from here, for the past 14 weeks, my teammates and I had been discussing a lot with our lecturers regarding on our prototype, which is called the Easy R Gripper. And from here you can see we had created a 2D drawing design for our Easy R gripper. And from here we can see that we have different parts of it, which consists of 14 different parts. There are components by components, and last but not least they are assembled, and here we are, a complete assemble of our prototype. So in the next slide we can see the parts that are available in our Easy R gripper. For example, we have the body part, the lower body part, the middle body, and also the top body. Then we have the claw, the supporting beams, the linkers, the rubber gripper, and also the pin for it to be fully assembled. Now when we are using the color selection, we prefer to choose the color yellow, red, and also black. However, it is not fully fixed. Let's say you are our client and you wanted the color of pink and white, or maybe you wanted the color green and blue. That is no problem. You can just directly ask us for the requirements and we will make it happen for you, because what comes first is the customers come first. And then here we can see is the dimension. For our Easy R gripper, we have a dimension of 8.5 cm by 15 cm in total of height, and its width. So from here, it is actually very small. It is very compact and it is very lightweight. For the beginning of our material selection, we had chosen titanium as our best and priority of our materials. However, for this prototype we decided to use rubber for the rubber gripper, and also we choose metal, stainless steel metal, for this prototype. And then last but not least, here we can see the top view and its bottom view, and it is very convenient for us to use because it is very small and it is actually very easy to maintain. Now, how does it work? I will pass this to my friend Mr. Arif.
How the product works. Basically, our product is a gripper. It has 4 claws. Our gripper has a pattern mechanism that makes them really unique. In fact, the claws are synchronized to each other, and the fingers mechanism can adapt itself to just about any shape. The application is for picking and placing items to another location nearby the gripper. Next is the finite element analysis. We conduct this finite element method analysis because this is well suited for computer implementation and it is universally recognized as the preferred method of analysis. In this analysis, it consists of static stress, and we can know about the safety factor and the von Mises stress of the gripper. Plus, we also could know about the shape optimization of this gripper. Firstly, for the analysis, we decided to put the gripper for a test by putting a load of 10 kg to the claw and see whether it can lift it and place it to the place we want, or it cannot. As the result from the table, we can see that this gripper has 1.604 minimum of safety factor per body, and it consists of 15 of the maximum of the safety factor per body. Next is the von Mises stress. As the result in this table, where we can see the minimum stress is 0.0605 megapascal, and for the maximum stress is 129.5 megapascal. Now we continue for the shape optimization. This is our shape optimization. The first picture from our left side is the load path, and on it right is the mesh, body, and modified sketch. And the last at the end is the new design of our gripper.
With help of our Easy R gripper, user will not face the same problem. Our gripper are the best because the design are perfectly suitable for picking, placing, and the load handle is above 10 kg, really fitting our users' needs.